Hey, what's going on YouTube? Anthony Sequeira here. I just woke up. That's why I look like crap and I don't have any of my recording equipment or video equipment set up properly yet. But I wanted to get this video made because I just got an email and I'm so angry. I want to share this with you. Let's talk about phishing attacks and just how successful they can be. There's been a couple of these I've gotten lately involving my YouTube channel, none other than that. So I think we could really put these in the category of spear phishing attacks, where someone knew just enough about me to really go a long way into potentially tricking me into stealing important information. So I wish I had saved the one that I got last week like this because it was way better than this one. It was supposedly coming from YouTube. This one's coming from Google AdSense. This one isn't as sophisticated and it's not as good. I apologize. But yeah, just this will get the point across. So Google AdSense, they've got their logo there. And the one last week was written really well. So the attackers are getting better at writing these phishing emails. This one has a couple of issues. Let's go through it together. Invalid click activity detected on your YouTube channel. If you would like to appeal this decision, so what decision? They haven't said any decision about anything. So again, the one last week was way better than this one as far as its structure goes. But if you'd like to appeal this decision and want your account to be reviewed again, click the link below to complete the form. Otherwise, your AdSense, another problem there, the capitalization is wrong on AdSense, at least against the logo, and YouTube account. Otherwise, your AdSense and YouTube account will be suspended due to invalid ad click activity. Click here to go to the form. The address, it's 2020, Google, Ireland, Limited, Gordon House, blah, blah, blah. That looks a little bogus. The one last week, it looked like a better address. Notice the reply to up here. That's not normally visible when you're just looking in a lot of email clients. It's doywoda@gmail.com. That's a little bit of a giveaway. They did a much better address last week in the spear phishing attempt I got. The average aspiring YouTube star is going to freak out when they get this. They are not going to be giving it the close look that you and I are, and they are going to click to go to the form. The form is going to be as official looking, a login screen for Google as possible. And then they could inadvertently enter in credentials for the hacker to achieve. I shouldn't call them a hacker, the computer criminal to achieve. So remember now, one of the cool things that we can do is we can scrutinize this link before we go to it. I am not going to click this link, no way, because clicking the link could be the initiation of some other attack. I'm going to go in and I'm going to have copied this link and then paste it, and the gig is up. So this is clearly not the URL that Google would be sending me regarding my YouTube account. But boy, this is just brutal because they're really going after the emotions of the recipient. Oh my gosh, my AdSense is going to be shut down. They're also doing this at a time period. They're probably not smart enough to realize this, but they're doing this at a time period where YouTube is making a lot of changes for their YouTubers, and YouTubers are already emotional about their YouTube accounts. So the timing is great for this type of stuff. So let's be smart. Let's really think before we click.